8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I want you to hold me, kiss me slowly, like how you took a little time to get to know me. What's up, you guys? So right now I'm getting dressed and a little bit rushing because we're about to take Jade to go see Disney on Ice. This is her first time. Tomorrow's her birthday, so we're treating her to go see Disney. They're gonna be having, I think, Encanto and Frozen. And then her aunt told me that they're gonna be having Mickey actually come out, which I didn't know, which is her favorite character. Yes, ma'am. Look. Santa! Say happy birthday. Okay.
Chloe, we're going to Disneyland! Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up and rush and do my lashes. Because even though I'm a mom, I still gotta be a bad.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Tracy just snap.
Yeah!
What's going on in there?
Whoa, don't be scared.
She ain't scared.
Yeah!
Come on, everyone!
What Shelby does, will do. In fact, my favorite kind of magic doesn't need magic words or a wand, and just my...
Why you? Do you want to see my triple axon combination followed by my flying reindeer?
And it didn't take any fancy schmancy magic words either.
This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby.
Look, I don't know about you guys, but in the morning, bitch, this is how I look. Like, you know how some people put on scarves? Influencers. Put on scarves and their hair be looking all cute in the morning? Not me. Not me. This is how my hair looks. It looks freaking crazy. And I'm over this weave. I have been going through like crazy times with weaves. Like, I need a good wig or I need a good weave. But this right here, I just don't like it. I don't like how it smells. I don't like none of it. So I'm about to take it out because, what time is it? It's like 9-ish. I gotta be to work at 11:30, thank goodness. Usually I gotta be to work at like 8, but my boss told me I didn't have to come until 11:30 because we have this event today. But man, it's like, I don't want to take my weave out because I like the style, but this right here, shawty girl, is a rat's nest. And I'm like, I wonder if I can save it, but then also part of me is like, I don't feel like saving it. I think I just need to let it go. To save or not to save? Let me not be loud. I mean, I tried this, I think it's called the Unbrush. I got this one from TikTok for like $1.90, if that. When it comes to weave, like, it just rakes over it. Like, let me compare it to this other brush. compared to this Evo brush that I found. Like, you see how like it gets in there. Like, there's a difference. Yes. You don't want to eat your oranges? But yeah, like I was saying, so like this really like gets in there. Yes. And this like just breaks through it. Yes. 1 second, I gotta be a mom. I'm back. Jade loves Katari. I'll put it down below. With the duckies, she loves that show. I don't like it because if she picks up these weird bad behaviors, like she does this thing when she's like, oh, I'm scared. She gets that from the show. I don't like it, but it does keep her quiet. So sometimes I let her watch it, but I'm like, we need to cut back on that because we are in the terrorific twos and I just can't. I can't handle bad baby. I think I'm gonna let this hair go. I think I'm about to take it out and just wear my hair out. On a lighter note, baby, these two products right here is doing my skin wonders. It's still not where I want it to be, but it has brightened my under eyes. It's brightening up all these like little marks on my face that I got from acne. My moles aren't going away, but these two products right here, girl, that's for you. Get them today. It's not 9 something, it's 8:32. I'm up super early. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out because I'm over it. So I took my hair out, as you can see. I snatched it out. I was sitting here talking and I thought it was recorded and I wasn't. Welcome to real life. Anyways, so I'm about to put my skincare products on. I'm about to head over to work. I have to be there from 11:30 to 1. I'm still in it. Can't waste this good product. Like I said, go get it. Ordinary. I'm about to head to work from 11:30 to 1. Then I'm coming back home. I need to take my tree down. Don't judge me. I also need to clean my house and I need to work out. So yeah. So much to do and nothing to do all at the same time.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a flip the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone.
Morning, you guys. I'm driving. I am like, I have this like big department meeting like with my supervisor and our boss. Sorry, the traffic was about to start short on your girl. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. I am like running a little bit behind, but I was like, why not vlog? Because this is real life. Like, gosh, it's like when you have something to do, your morning just gets like super hectic for no reason. Excuse me, I look like a powdered donut. I'm like driving, trying to do my makeup. I need to chill. I just decided to vlog. Usually I listen to like my podcast or something in the morning. But this year's the year of consistency for me. And I keep telling myself that I'm going to vlog more and upload it. Because I have a lot of vlog videos that I just have not uploaded yet. But no more of that. But I'm on my way to work. I think the last time I picked off, I was actually going into work again. Work. But, yeah. I just hope my day gets better. It's just a little bit hectic right now. Later on today, I'm probably going to go and look. Well, I think I'm gonna do some online shopping for a car, y'all, because my car right now is beat, child, and I'm over it. I love this car. Please don't break down on me, but it's just an older car, and I'm just ready to move on to something better. That's actually one of the things that's on my board for this year is to get a nicer car. So I've been looking. Car payments are extremely high. I look so crazy. I'll show y'all my after makeup look so I can make up for it, but I look wild. But car payments are so crazy, you guys. It's getting scary out here. And I'm like, I don't know about y'all, but your girl is not rich. Like, I mean, I love my job and it's like pretty decent salary. It would be pretty decent salary if inflation wasn't around, but I'm like, as of now, bitch, I'm like, I don't have the money like that. And card notes are just extremely high. But I'm just like, my car is to the point where I'm starting to think like it's now or never. And I just gotta get a new car. I wanted to wait till tax season and like wait for my taxes to come and just buy a car straight out. But I don't know if my car is gonna wait for that. So I gotta do what I gotta do and get another vehicle, because I just don't even, you just want something to be over so bad, like you're tired of it stressing you. Yeah, I just think that this car is just a part of one of my stresses, and in 2024 I'm just ready to move forward and get rid of all my stresses. Like, I just want to live a healthy lifestyle overall, and a healthy lifestyle overall is mentally healthy as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna be looking for a car later. I'll probably show you guys like my options that I'm looking at online. I've never looked to purchase a car online, but I don't know about y'all, but the dealership just gives me high freaking anxiety. Like, I just can't. Are you getting over? Like, I don't like going there and I'm running your credit to like 45,000 people, and I don't know. I just don't like it at all. Like, it just gives me high anxiety. Then they try to pressure you into car payments that's out the wazoo because they want to make more money, which I understand because everybody wants to make more money, but your girl ain't rich. Like, I'm not rich. Like, these other influencers may got it like that. Diamond is normal money person, at least right now. No, you know what though, I seen this TikToker, and I might try to link the video down below, but she said that her and her boyfriend always say, I look like a powdered donut. But she says that her and her boyfriend always tell each other, like, when they spend something or they have to pay a bill, they're always like, I'm sorry if my phone is like, oh, my phone is dirty. I'm sorry for the shot, y'all, but whatever. Her and her boyfriend are like, anytime I have to pay a bill or whatever, they're like, it's okay because we're rich. And I'm gonna start saying that. Like, it's okay because I'm rich. It's okay because I'm rich. I'm about to get a new car, y'all, and it's okay because I'm rich. So I'm not really worried about the car note. I'm just, it's just something you got to do as an adult. Yeah, so I'll get back with you guys after I get off work. My makeup looks a lot better. I'm at work, but I don't look like a powdered donut. Good morning, you guys. So, my house looks a complete wreck. It looks bad. And I'm about to get here and clean up. A part of my year of consistency is I always promise to show people the real. And my house looks a mess. Oh. My lips look a mess. I feel a mess. And it's time to get everything back in order, okay? Like, it's just a mess. So today's Saturday. I'm about to hurry up and sprucing up my house just a teensy bit. I'm gonna do some deep cleaning later, but we're about to go to a family brunch. So I'm about to get in here, straighten up, clean up, and then we'll see what our Saturday takes us, because it's another baby free weekend. Jade is going to be going to her grandmother's house, so I am free for at least 2 days, and I really need the break, okay? Because having a toddler that just turned 2 is a doozy. So let's get in here and clean up, because it looks a wreck in every room, and I just don't like looking at a mess all day. Like, I need to take my tree down, those Christmas decorations up there. There's mad stuff on the floor and on the couch. It's time.
stones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you had king. Man. Now that was green. Man. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shitting nail pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall it all my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not a pill. Hey, you want to steal in the spill. Hey, you not real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field.
Alrighty guys, so it is the next day. I look a little rough, but that's because I'm about to go work out on my stair stepper. This year is the year of consistency. Excuse my closet, I'm still like revamping it. I love it that it's walk-in, but it's a mess. But anyways, we'll talk about that another day. But I'm about to go get in my stair stepper. This year is the year of consistency for me. So today I will be uploading my vlog. I was supposed to upload it yesterday because it was Sunday, but I'm gonna upload it today. Stay tuned to next Monday for my next vlog. Please keep up with me. I promise you this vlog is a little mundane because it's the beginning of the year, but there is a lot more to come. Like I said again, it's the year of consistency, so no matter what, we keep filming.